I tied my hair back so that it does not interrupt my eyeshadow application. Now I think I will be starting off with this palette. This is called the Sugar Plum. This yellow shade is surely a miss. Like it's. Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. It feels really good to be back with filming YouTube videos. For today's video, I will be testing out three eyeshadow palettes which I have got from this Instagram page called HOK Makeup. I'll mention everything in the description box below so you can check it out over there. So I have got my hands into these three eyeshadow palettes, which is from the brand called Nikake or Naikake, whatever the way you want to pronounce it. So these three eyeshadow palettes are steel. It's the best money waste value things which you get. If you want to know further about these three palettes, then please keep on watching. As you can see, I'm sitting here with a full face of makeup. My eyes are also priced. Three retails for rupees 999 for 27 shades, like three palettes, 9 shades in each, 27 shades. These palettes are extremely travel friendly. You can keep it anywhere, you can throw it in your bag, you can keep it, store it anywhere in your cupboard. The packagings are very sturdy. It does not feel like it will break. Palettes are international makeups. So in case you are interested, then you can go and check it out in their page. You don't have to pay any extra shipping for ordering these three palettes. Now we will quickly jump into the application of these eyeshadows. I'll take this shade right here and apply it all over my crease. The color is not too much pigmented. I'm not sure. After I'm done with the eyeshadow application, I'll once swatch the colors on my wrist as well, so that it just gives a clear view on the pigmentation. I think I feel okayish with the color. Now I'll move on to a burnt orange shade from this palette. This is called the Under the Sea palette, and this burnt orange shade from this one on the same brush. This shade has excessive amount of fallout. Like, this shade is too powdery. I don't know if this is the problem with the rest of the shades as well. We'll see what happens as we proceed. So I'll be picking up this blue matte shade from this palette. Damn, this shade has too much fallout. Like, I hope you can see. I'm pretty skeptical. Like, I have spent a lot of time today doing my base. I don't want that this shade to ruin my base. The shade feels very chalky. Like, see, I'll be taking this shimmer blue shade on my finger. Comes out very pigmented on my finger. This shimmer has nice pigmentation, I should say. I don't know, I just feel that the shimmer is much more better in quality and consistency than the matte shades. This applied on my crease, and I'll be putting it on my lower lash line. I'll quickly apply some mascara off camera and discuss with you all what are my thoughts on these three palettes. I don't know if you can see, but I have got literally stained badly in this area and on my nose, like there's the tip of my nose, it's really looking very bad. It is from the blue shade which I applied on the inner part of my eyelid. It has massive fallout. Back to my thoughts about the palette. If you ask me that which one should you buy individually, if you want to go individually for this palette, then I would suggest you to go for this one. This is the Mocha Mix palette. This is the best palette according to me among these three. Now if you are going in a combo, which I think most of you should because it's much more valuable in that sense, then this palette, this under the sea palette has massive fallouts and the matte shades are very chalky. The shimmer shades are good comparatively, it's good than the matte shades. And this palette, this Sugar Plum palette, has nice colors. The payoff is nice, but the matte shades are a bit powdery. Like this is the problem with almost all the shades, it's very powdery. I don't know if you can see this. I use this shade and this shade. Like this shade, the color particles has spread all over the other shades. Like a beginner as me, I'm a beginner too, then you can definitely go ahead and invest in these palettes because one, it's value for money, two, you get so many shades. There are nudes, there are pinks, there are blues, greens, yellows, oranges, so many things. You can experiment with colors, you can go nude, you can go brown. There are numerous ways you can experiment and play with the colors. And three, they are easy to play with, like you can easily remove them because according to my experience the shades remove very easily. Like it's not very stubborn except the blue one which has stained over this part right under my eye, this area. I have to work something here, then only I think this one will be removed. That's it for this palette. I'll link everything down in the description box below, so you can check it out over there and try your hands on this one. And please comment down below and let me know later, come back over here, that how was your experience using these palettes. And also if you did, then don't forget to hit the big fat like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell notification just beside it to stay updated every day when I upload new videos. And another thing, please let me know that if you are liking my YouTube videos or not. The way I'm presenting, I'm trying to improve with every video. It would be very appreciated if you can share your feedback with me in the comment section below, and I shall see you in my next one. Until next time, lots of love. Bye. And also share this video with your near and dear ones.